Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After updating to iOS 26.2, many iPhone users have reported frustrating camera issues. For some, the camera app opens to a black screen, others experience freezing, heavy lag, blurry photos, or sudden crashes while recording video. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. In most cases, these problems are software related and can be fixed without visiting a service center. Let's start with the simplest solution. Force closing the camera app often resolves temporary glitches caused by background processes. Open the app switcher, swipe up on the camera app to close it completely, then reopen it. This quick reset clears minor bugs that appear after system updates. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone. A full reboot refreshes system memory and helps eliminate conflicts introduced during the update process. Many camera glitches disappear immediately after a clean restart, especially if the phone hasn't been powered off since updating. Next, check your storage. Low storage space can severely affect camera performance, causing slow launches, failed captures, or black screens. Go to iPhone storage settings and free up space by deleting unused apps, videos, or cached data. The camera needs sufficient free space to process photos and videos smoothly. Another important fix is resetting camera-related settings. Head to Settings, open the camera section, and toggle options like Formats, Grid, or Live Photos off and back on. This forces the system to reload camera configurations that may have been corrupted during the update. If none of these steps work, resetting all settings is a strong solution. This does not erase your data, but it resets system preferences like Wi-Fi, display, and privacy permissions. Many post-update bugs, including camera glitches, are resolved through this method. Finally, check for any follow-up software updates. Apple often releases small patches shortly after major updates to fix bugs like camera instability. Installing the latest patch can permanently resolve the issue. So, camera glitches after an update can be annoying, but they're rarely permanent. By restarting your device, managing storage, resetting settings, and keeping your software updated, you can restore your camera to normal performance. If the issue still persists after all these steps, contacting Apple support is the best next move. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy iPhone tips and fixes.